Hello and welcome to seated yoga. These are functional techniques that have been adapted off the mat to support your well-being in the workplace. Now, regular practice of these guided movements will enhance flexibility, improve your breathing, reduce stress and anxiety, strengthen your core and restore vitality, providing an overall sense of relaxation in the workplace. They're simple movements, so no previous knowledge of yoga is necessary. Some general housekeeping rules: please remove any tight or restrictive clothing, so things like belts or high heels. Practice the forms that feel comfortable for you today. Rest and pause when necessary. Please listen to your body and respect the feedback it's giving you. So anything that's causing pain or strain, I'd advise you just to stop, take a deep breath, and just move within your own limitations. Breathe slow and steady at a pace of your own. We'll be practicing two forms today. We have the yang or dynamic form, which is really great for restoring vitality and reducing any tension. It's usually for those 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon energy blips. And then we have the yin or restorative set, which really focuses more on breath awareness. So let's begin.